Welcome back to English Talk Time, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Ellie, your host, and today we have something very exciting. Do you ever forget English words? Well, today we're going to follow a day in the life of a student named Anna, and by the end of this video, you'll learn over 30 English words and phrases that are easy to remember. And as always, I'm joined by my amazing co-host, Mike. How are you today?
Hey Ellie, I'm super excited. I love stories, and I can't wait to see what Anna does. Plus, learning 30 words in one video sounds amazing.
Great! Let's start our story. Imagine a young student named Anna. Anna wakes up early in the morning at 6:30 a.m. She feels sleepy but excited for the new day.
The first thing Anna does is brush her teeth and wash her face. She says, "Good morning, world," while looking in the mirror.
New words for learners. Wake up, brush, wash, mirror. Repeat after me. Wake up, brush, wash, mirror.
After that, Anna eats breakfast. Today, she has toast, eggs, and orange juice. She likes to eat quickly because she doesn't want to be late for school.
Vocabulary. Breakfast, toast, eggs, orange juice, quickly. Repeat. Breakfast, toast, eggs, orange juice, quickly.
Anna grabs her backpack and goes to school. On the way, she sees her friend Tom. "Hi Tom, how are you?" Anna asks.
And Tom replies, I'm good, thanks. Did you finish your homework? Homework is very important for students, right, Mike?
Yes. Words here: backpack, school, friend, homework, important. Repeat. Backpack, school, friend, homework, important.
At school, Anna has 3 classes. First, she goes to English class, where she practices reading and speaking. Then she goes to math, and finally, science.
During English class, Anna reads a short story aloud. She practices pronunciation and writes new words in her notebook.
Vocabulary. Class, reading, speaking, pronunciation, notebook. Repeat. Class, reading, speaking, pronunciation, notebook.
At lunchtime, Anna eats with her friends in the school cafeteria. She has a sandwich, apple, and water. They laugh and talk about their favorite movies.
Words. Lunch, cafeteria, sandwich, apple, water, laugh, favorite. Repeat after me. Lunch, cafeteria, sandwich, apple, water, laugh, favorite.
After lunch, Anna plays outside for a short break. She enjoys running, jumping, and playing soccer with her friends.
Vocabulary. Play, outside, running, jumping, soccer, enjoy. Repeat. Play, outside, running, jumping, soccer, enjoy.
In the afternoon, Anna finishes her classes and goes home. On the way, she buys a small snack, a chocolate bar, from a shop.
New words. Afternoon, home, snack, chocolate bar, shop. Repeat. Afternoon, home, snack, chocolate bar, shop.
When Anna arrives home, she greets her mom. "Hi Mom, I'm home," she says.
And her mom says, Hello, Anna. Did you have a good day at school?
Anna replies, "Yes, I learned many new words today."
Vocabulary. For home. Greet, mom, arrive, good day, reply, learn. Repeat. Greet, mom, arrive, good day, reply, learn.
Next, Anna does her homework. She writes sentences using new words. For example, "I eat breakfast quickly," or "I help my mom in the kitchen."
Homework words. Write, sentence, example, help, kitchen. Repeat. Write, sentence, example, help, kitchen.
After homework, Anna reads a storybook for fun. She enjoys reading because it helps her improve her vocabulary and imagination.
Vocabulary. Storybook, read, improve, vocabulary, imagination. Repeat. Storybook, read, improve, vocabulary, imagination.
Later, Anna helps her mom in the kitchen to prepare dinner. She chops vegetables and sets the table.
Vocabulary: prepare, dinner, chop, vegetable, set the table. Repeat: prepare, dinner, chop, vegetable, set the table.
At dinner, Anna talks with her family. They share stories about their day and laugh together.
Words: family, share, laugh, together, story. Repeat: family, share, laugh, together, story.
After dinner, Anna takes a shower and brushes for teeth. She puts on her pajamas and reads a little before bed.
Vocabulary: shower, pajamas, read, before bed. Repeat: shower, pajamas, read, before bed.
Finally, Anna says, "Good night, world." She feels happy and ready for a new day tomorrow.
And that's the end of Anna's day. Today we learned many words and phrases about daily life, school, home, and routines.
Remember to practice these words in sentences. For example, I help my mom in the kitchen, or I play soccer with my friends.
Thank you for following Anna's day with us. Don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite word, and subscribe to English Talk Time for more fun stories and English lessons.
And remember, learning English is easy when you practice every day. See you in the next story.
Bye, everyone!